Scania Truck EMS S6, S7, S8, EGR, DPF, and SCR Delete. Vehicle information. Brand: Scania Trucks and Construction Machinery. ECU, EMS S6, S7, S8. Service: EGR plus DPF and SCR Delete. Problem: check engine light on. DEF warning. Truck and construction machinery in derate mode. Solution: remote tuning via Diagnostic tool and TeamViewer. Modified ECU file to disable EGR, DPF, and SCR.